Mr. Wonderful here in person. How's everybody doing? There we go. He looks a bit serious dude, doesn't he? Some nose on him. Looks like he's been hit in the head a few times. Moose. 5 or Norge. 1964. Now that is my year. Yeah, the year I was born. Right. What are we doing? Oh, first of all, we've got to punch a hole in it. So, what sort of size? Yeah, I think 1/2 inch should do it. There's not a lot going on around the edge. I don't think I've done one of these before. So, let's give it a go, Joe. Hope everybody's doing fantastic. Hope everybody's smiled once or twice today. I smiled once. 1972 it was. I don't know if any of you American guys have ever seen any of the British comedy called 40 Towers. John Cleese. God, it's so funny. His wife. That was his saying. Yes, I remember happy. I was happy once. Check it out. God, I didn't want to undo. Right. My next day off in the market, I'm going to clean all this table up. It's bloody out of control again. And it'll stay nice and clean for a day or two. But then you're making glass, and you're doing coins, and you're doing this, and you're doing that, and it's just there's stuff everywhere. The trouble is I can never find Jack, you know? What am I doing wrong, Bear? Tell me. I need help. Are you a tidy guy? I bet you are. I mean, my mum and dad were always sort of tidy, you know. I mean, it wasn't a show house, but, you know, it was lived in, for Christ's sake. When are you going to tidy your bedroom up? That's what I used to get all the time. Like a bloody pigsty in there. All right, Mum. And after a few weeks, she used to tell me Dad, and then my dad used to come after me and, get in there and tidy that room. All right, Dad. Okay, Dad. They used to give me a good hiding, so did she. She used to have a stick that she got at the bloody garden and whipped the hell out of me with it. I never did forgive her for that. Right, we need one of these. Nope. Yeah, okay. Let's warm it up a bit. And Bernie. Right. Let's stick it in this water again. That's had the different sulfur. Oh no, it didn't work on the didn't work on that one. That's a shame. I thought I'd found a new invention that would have spread around the coin community, but no. It's just a bit dirty. Not much going on anywhere there, is there really? I got a bit of moose. There's a moose loose in the hoose. Yeah, this will have to go face down. And let's keep Bear and Gary happy. I've got to start using this more. I think they're right, it does help. But once you're not used to using it, it's difficult to keep it, you know. We'll go over. It's a big red. And oh, it's a bit more knee there. Sorry, Sarah, Claire. Right. That's good. There we go. So now we want to fully fold it in a 17-degree folding die. Put a little bit of lube on it. I try to keep them lubed up a bit, but it's going to get a bit sad inside. Right, our 17-degree folding cone. I'm going to give it a bit of the old one too. Oh yeah, that's soft as butter. There we go. Right, I've got my window open, as you can hear. There's a lot of American cars in Helsinki and the area. I've never had an American car. I was wanting motorcycles really. Do a little inspection because it seems to be very, very easy. This is quite splittable, I think. You just want to get that bow out of it though. And knowing me, I'll push my luck. This will be an outtake. I am going to do an outtake video. I think it was it Bear or somebody asked about it. It might have been Ian. I can't remember. Yeah, I think it was Ian. But you just got to save them up, and I'll do one. Or my girlfriend will do one for me because I can't. Computers, no. Morse code, no problem. Honestly, I'm terrible. Yeah, I'll send emails, you know. Other stuff. Haven't got a clue. And I don't even want to know. I'm not interested in all that crap, you know. Give me a good fax machine. And Morse code, stuff like that. How's it looking? Yeah, it's not too bad. Right, we go to the bottom end of spike. What can we use? I suppose. No, we use this one. I don't like it sticking up too proud, you know, because I think that can cause wobbles. Look at that perfection first time. Hey, ask me how I do it. I don't know. I wish I did. I suppose it's because I'm Mr. Wonderful, maybe. I don't know. I'm surprised I don't get some more sad comments than I do. I don't get that many, you know. Get the odd one. Oh, that's illegal, what you're doing. You shouldn't do that. That's about it, really. That's pretty good. Right, let's break out. One and only. Sexy as ever. Kate. There she is. still looking pretty reasonable for her age. There's not a great deal going on here. It's probably not a very interesting ring for some of you. I mean, it ain't that special, obviously, but I've got to try and do different stuff all the time, otherwise I'll be doing the same bloody stuff day in and day out, you know. If you've got any requests or something you'd like me to do for a certain coin, I've got quite a few coins. Now I've got this Swedish wrap sorted out, I will be trying this huge coin I got. It's Chinese, it's like it's huge, bigger than a dinner plate. Well, not quite, but you know what I mean. And the first one I tried, it split. And I thought, I'm not, because I think I've got 2 or 3 of them. Well, I've only got 2 of them left, so. This one's my friend from Canada sent me. And they're stunning coins, and they're very old, like super old. I think they're older than the moon. But if I can get them into a ring, wow. Trouble is, it's going to be a bloody wide-banded ring. I might try that. I can't say my next, so I don't know when this video is going to come out. But I think my next coin ring, I want to try that again. Ooh. There it is. I've got it. I mean, I don't think this will make it in the shop, because there's nothing special about it, really. Unless somebody sees this and wants it. I'll tell you what. If somebody wants this ring, oh, look at it. If somebody wants this ring for free, one of my subscribers, obviously, and not just subscribe today, that don't count. If anybody wants this ring, I'll send it to you for nothing. Well, that's come up really nice. There's not a lot going on there. If any of you guys out there would like this ring, I'll post it to you. It won't cost you a penny. You know, that's why I'm poor. But hey, there's more to life than money. That's 11 1/4. All I need is your ring size. So if you want this, the first person to say I want it, you can have it. And it fits that finger absolutely spotty dog. So thank you all for watching. Thanks for hitting the like button. If you hit the don't like button, I still love you. And yeah, show me some love and smile at your neighbours. And that's about it really, I suppose, till tomorrow. God willing, tubby bye-bye.